Hey everyone, long time no see, hope you've been well. I can't even remember the last time I posted a video, so I thought I'd post a video and give you guys an update on the current status of the build. It's just about complete. I'd say it's 99% there. I have a couple of little tiny details that I need to work through, but I think the build is pretty much complete, and I'll give you guys a quick overview of what I've done in the last several months. I know it's been, I think, almost 7 months since the last video. I think it was the plumbing video that I made, but I think we're just about there with this build, and I'll go ahead and give you guys an update. So let's just go ahead and get right to it. Starting with the exterior, you can see that the van sits just a little bit higher now. That's because we are now sitting on upgraded suspension springs from Van Compass. I've optioned this out with the 2-inch lift leveling kit, which adds new springs and components to the front, which have a stiffer spring rate and a leveling block in the back. Here you can see a better shot of how the van is sitting now that it's lifted. Overall, quick driving impression, the ride quality is definitely improved. There's less body roll and the van feels less bouncy while you're riding down the road or on trails like I am today. Here's a shot of the Van Compass spring. In the rear, I've gone ahead and installed the dual-purpose tire carrier and ladder from Limitless Vans, based out of Bellingham, Washington. This is one of their first production models, and I'm very lucky that they agreed to send me one for the build. You can see it comes in a nice wrinkle black finish, and the attribute that made me go with this as opposed to the other brands was the flat steps or rungs. I found this to be safer, and having more surface area made it feel more sturdy when you're on the top rung, making your way to the roof deck. All right, let's make our way to the updated interior. First thing when you walk in, you notice the backsplash, which I've updated to now encompass the entire width of the kitchen galley. In the garage area, you can see I've installed all the drawer fronts and cladding. I've also introduced some more L-track here with some D-rings or O-rings, so you can secure your gear however you like on both sides, top and bottom. When the Murphy bed is down, you can potentially secure a surfboard or snowboards underneath the bed by just installing some bungee cables here. On the left side, we have our Bluetti AC200P solar generator. So I've went ahead and upgraded to the AC200P because the original AC200 actually had a malfunction. Bluetti went ahead and sent me a brand new unit and upgraded me as well. So that was very nice of them. And I've had this unit for almost 3 months, no issues to report. But you can see it's nicely tucked in there, and I've also provided a vent on the side. And then on the right side, we have all of the plumbing components neatly tucked away, including the shower fitting or the shower hose. And everything in here just fits up nicely, as you can see. All on soft close hinges and hardware. I also went ahead and recut the top for the bench. Now it has a lip, so you don't have to worry about crushing your finger when you go to close it. And I also added some convenience outlets, 120 plugs. A couple nice little touches and details. There's a little cutout here for the cargo door hinge bracket. And also on the cargo door itself, on the wall panel there, there's a nice little cutout for the lock-unlock lever. Here's a detailed look at the control panel, which has the temperature controls, heaters, fans, dimmable switches, and dedicated switches for the cuss water gauge and refrigerator. I've also gone ahead and finished the ceiling inside the cabinet area. You can see here now the remaining 4 or 5 slats are installed, and the wall panel in the back is also adhered to the wall, so that looks much nicer. And this is what it looks like on the microwave side. Can't really see it on this end, but still looks much better than it was before now that it has the cabinet end installed as well. All right, thanks everyone for watching. Hope this gave you guys a little bit of an update on the status of the van, where it currently sits in the build process. Again, I think we're about 99% there. Just a couple minor details, maybe some interior finishes that I need to tidy up. But thanks for following along on this build. I know it's been quite a journey. It's been almost exactly 2 years since I picked up this van from Washington. That's pretty crazy to think about. And this build pretty much kept me occupied and sane during the pandemic. So appreciate you guys following along and putting some constructive feedback in the comment section. Some of those comments I actually implemented into this build, so that's pretty cool to me. And again, thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'll try to get to them. And if you're curious about any of the products that I use, I'll try to put them in the description section of this video. Hopefully I see some of you guys down the road, and maybe, who knows, maybe I'll build another one of these vans someday. But again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.